Assalamualaikum. Today I read
Hello.
my first book of animal opposites. This is Tahira, my
Hello.
little sister.
Hello.
Okay, Talha, start reading.
Lion cubs are small. Daddy lion is big. Egret has long legs. Puffin has short legs. Cheetah is fast. Tortoise is slow. Crab has a hard shell. Red fox has a soft fur coat. Bison lives where it is cold. Lizard lives where it is hot.
Loudly পড়ো তো আব্বু, তারপর
Alligator closes her mouth. Hippo opens his mouth. Closes his mouth. Bear climbs up a tree.
আমরা কোথায়
Leopard
এরকম বেয়ার
climbs
দেখছিলাম
down
ক্লাইম্ব
a
করতে
tree.
তারপর
I think it was Smoky Mountain.
মাশাআল্লাহ স্মোকি মাউন্টেন। আচ্ছা তারপর কি যেটা কি করছে? চিটা না লিপার্ড কি করছে?
Leopard climbs down a tree.
আচ্ছা
Duck flies in the air. Penguin walks on the ground.
penguins cannot fly, right?
Yeah.
Okay. তারপর
Sea otter is in the water. Frog is out of the water. Cougar is awake. Burrowing owl is awake too. But koala is sound asleep.
the end. It's a
The
nice
end.
book. Thank you, Talha.
You're
Bye-bye.
welcome. Bye.